Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now by checking 3 essentials. Fortnite Chapter 6 is updated, your Epic Games account is active, and 2-factor authentication is turned on. Once done, open your Epic account settings and make sure your contact email is current. This is where dev invites land. After that, assemble your developer details, legal name, company or alias, and a short description of your intended work. Do this fast, because these items unlock the next registration step without delays. You now move into registration and verification. Follow each form field deliberately. First, submit the dev application with accurate business or personal data, and then upload identity documents as required passport or driver license works. Once submitted, expect an email confirmation, confirm your 2FA, and accept the developer agreement so your account status advances. If you intend to monetize, enter payment and contract details now, because Epic often requires them before enabling certain publishing. You finish by enabling the developer tools and verifying access inside Fortnite Chapter 6. Open the dev menu and confirm your permissions. Then upload a minimal test build or create a simple island to ensure publishing works end-to-end. If you hit a snag, first re-verify your identity and clear any local cache or client data. Make sure to note any error codes. If the issue persists, submit a support ticket with your application ID and a concise description so Epic can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.